Wenzako wanahonga wewe unalayoja, watu wanacheka na hakuna shida zako weka kando, hakuna ujamaa na tukiwa na vibe hatunaga aibu, wanakuja na abaya wamefuata madenti wanadenti pangana vibabu asitake kupina kababa makadara tuenda basi makadara tuenda makadara tuenda makadara tuenda kama keki hapo besi sio mbaya msiteti karibu kuna jeshi kwa jeshi mami making can take it overtake you can race for bao nipe makiasi takia shao ito titi ndio we really gotta have fun. Kutoka nchi mbalimbali wanakutana kwa nchi moja Rwanda. Sogea barabarani uone kwa macho yako. Abahungu watu baje na abakobwa watu babukereye. We really gotta have fun. Majirani wameanza kunigeza. Naweza kuimba na kucheza. Unavyonipendeza. Majirani wameanza kunigeza. Urashushe muze twitare twese. Gaya mahanga yazahiganwa ku magare. Rwanda kutoka nchi mbalimbali wanakutana kwa nchi moja Rwanda. Sogea barabarani uone kwa macho yao. Abahungu watu baje n'abakobwa watu babukereye. We really gotta have fun. Urashushe muze twitare twese. Gaya mahanga
neza abaturage b'i Nyamata. Iyi ni Tour du Rwanda, ni etape ya karindwi tugiye gutangira. Tugiye kuva hano i Nyamata tuze gusoreza kuri Mont Kigali, ni ku ntera y'ibirometero 115.8. Mu kanya gato murabona abakinnyi bagenda banyura imbere yanyu ndetse n'imbere y'abakomiseri berekana ko bagiye kwitabira etape ya karindwi. Ni Tour du Rwanda ku nshuro ya 15. Turagenda tubabwira abakinnyi bagiye barimo batandukanye, ni mu kanya gatoya. Ni irushanwa dukunda twese Tour du Rwanda, aho twababwira ko kuri ino nshuro ya 15 yitabiriwe n'amaekipe 19, abakinnyi 93, aho kugeza ku munsi w'ejo wa etape ya gatandatu hasigayemo abakinnyi 70. Turaza kubereka uwambaye mayo jaune, turaza kubereka umukinnyi w'umuhanga muzi ni From Christopher, turaza kubereka abandi bagiye batwara Tour du Rwanda myaka itandukanye. Ni mu kanya gato baraje banyure hano imbere yanyu, hanyuma ku isaha ya 4:30 turagurutse hano twerekeza mu karere ka Nyarugenge. Twabibabwiye ni etape ya karindwi igiye kuva hano i Nyamata yerekeza Mont Kigali. murabibona ni umukinnyi Fome Christopher nk'uko twamubwiye umukinnyi w'icyamamare. He's wearing number 1 and his colleague Wenberg Roy he's wearing number 2. Ni umukinnyi watwaye Tour de France inshuro enye ndetse na zindi shampiyona zo mu Butaliyani, umuhanga cyane, akaba yitabiriye Tour du Rwanda ku nshuro ya 15. Iyi ni ekipe Bike Aid ituruka mu gihugu cy'Ubudage, aho harimo umukinnyi w'umunyarwanda ni Muhoza Eric, akaba ari ku mwanya wa 6 ku rutonde rusange. These are the 4 cyclists representing German Bike Aid from German. We have number 61, he's from Eritrea, Yemane Dawit. We have number 62, Muhoza Eric. We have number 64, Gino Francis. And number 65, Matei Oliva. This is the team Bike Aid, where the cyclist Muhoza Eric is on number 6 as on the general classification and as the first runner. Ya Escadi, aho ejo yatsinze nka ekipe yitwaye neza kurusha izindi. Escadi where yesterday they won as the best team. Ni ekipe iturutse mu gihugu cya Espagne. C'est les 5 cyclistes qui les présentent, l'équipe de Escadi. On a numéro 91, c'est Biscara Mikel. Numéro 92, c'est Zafa Asier. Numéro 93, c'est Iribar Inay. Numéro 94, c'est Ituria Mikel. Et numéro 95, c'est Berassa Tegui Xavier. Ni abakinnyi batanu baturutse mu gihugu cya Espagne bakina ekipa ya Escadi. Comme dushimira abakinnyi. Ine n'igice turagahugutse hano, ni etape ya 7 igizwe n'ibirometero 115 bice 8. Tubabwira ko Tour du Rwanda yayo ku nshuro ya 15 igizwe n'amayetape 8, ndetse aho ejo tuzasoza irushanwa kuri Canal Olympia, ayo bazagurukira bakaza no gusoreza. Nyuma yaho tuzamenya ngo ninde watwaye Tour du Rwanda. Tubabwira ko mayo jaune ifitwe na nimero 54 ni Lesaf William Junior, akaba akinira ekipe mu gihugu cy'Ububirigi ni Soudal-QuickStep de Podium. Yo mu gihugu cy'Ubushinwa ni China Glory Continental Team. Continental Cycling igizwe n'abakinnyi 3. Mu kanya gato haraza Hakizimana Felicien. Nimero 192 ni Bigirimana Jean Nepo. Ndetse na nimero 194 ni Nsengiyumva Shema. Ni ekipe ya May Stars, ni imwe mu ekipe 19 yitabiriye Tour du Rwanda ku nshuro ya 15. Igizwe n'abakinnyi 2. These are the 2 cyclists representing Great Britain. We have number 111, he's Broad Jack. And number 115, he's Blackmore Peter Joseph. These are the 2 cyclists representing Great Britain. Tukaba dusigaranye abakinnyi 70 batangiye irushanwa ry'ejo, ndetse n'uyu munsi baza kubabwira abakinnyi bangahe bari buhaguruke hano berekeza kuri Mont Kigali. Ni ekipe 2024 cycling team from Estonia is represented by 3 cyclists. We have number 171, he's Kiskonen Sim. We have number 173, he's Kras Alex. Number 175, he's Pajur Marquis. These are the three cyclists representing Tartu 2024 cycling team from Estonia. Malaysia, aho harimo umunyafrika Yoel Habteab yambaye nimero 42, akaba ejo yatsinze nk'umunyafrika witwaye neza kurusha abandi. This is the team NYAMATA-KIGALI cycling team from Malaysia, represented by four cyclists. We have number 41, his Budiak Anatoly. We have number 42, Yoel Habteab from Eritrea, where he won yesterday as the best African. We have number 43, is Meyer Juron, and number 45, Zarif Muhammad Noor Ayman. These are the four cyclists representing the NYAMATA-KIGALI cycling team. China Glory Continental Cycling. Ni equipe China Glory Continental Cycling are represented by three cyclists. We have number 103, his Liu Jiakun. We have number 104, Dehos Elikas. And number 105, Piccoli James. These are the three cyclists representing China Glory Continental Cycling. Ni imwe mu ekipe 19 yitabiriye Tour igizwe na metero 115.8 ihaguruka hano mu karere ka Nyamata tuzagera kuri Mont Kigali. Iyi ni ekipe ihagarariye igihugu cyacu ya Team Rwanda igizwe n'abakinnyi batatu. Muramubona ni nimero 12 Nsengimana Jean Bosco, akaba yaratwaye Tour du Rwanda mu mwaka wa 2015. Ari kumwe na bagenzi be ni nimero 13 ni Niyonkuru Samuel, ndetse na nimero 14 ni Masengesho. N'abakinnyi batatu bahagarariye igihugu cyacu ni Team Rwanda, bakaba bitabiriye Tour du Rwanda ku nshuro ya 15. No, Tour du Rwanda ku nshuro ya 15 ni imwe mu makipe 19 yitabiriye. Y'epfo harimo umukinnyi watwaye etape yavaga Rusizi ijya i Rubavu. This is the team South Africa. We have number 131, his main Kent. We have number 132, his Jose Pedri. And we have number 133, his Oriston Kaluma. These are the three cyclists representing Team South Africa, where number 133 won the stage which was coming from Rusizi to Rubavu. It was the fifth stage. The Team South Africa and Daniel, the winner of Tour of Rwanda in 2010. We have number 23, his Habteab Yoel, and we have number 24, Arefayne Akilu. Ni abakinnyi batatu bahagarariye ekipe ya Eritrea, aho hari babiri twavuga ko ari inshuro ya 15 Tour du Rwanda yitabirwa. Best climber ni umukinnyi wazamutse imisozi kurusha abandi. Muramubona yambaye mayo ya Cogebanque nimero 143. This is the team of EF Education Development. Competition y'abakinnyi. Uwo ni umukinnyi wazamutse imisozi neza kurusha abandi. Ni nimero 143. aho koje banki nk'umuterankunga ibahemba umukinnyi wazamutse imisozi kurusha abandi. Dufite abaterankunga batandukanye badufasha kugira ngo irushanwa ryacu rigende neza. Ni amakipe 19 turakomeza tubabwira amazina yabo.
Hello my people, hello viewers, hello cycling race lovers, hello to the Rwanda followers, hello everybody. Remember to subscribe, like, share this video. So welcome to this video showing you live the race of Tour du Rwanda. Let me tell you that right now we are in Nyamata town. You see that it is a beautiful city where a stage of Tour du Rwanda is going to kick off in a few minutes. So let me tell you that Nyamata city or Nyamata town is in Bugesera district in the eastern province of Rwanda. As you see, these are cars which precedes or which go in front of the riders. So this town is located few miles from Kigali city in Rwanda, and is a city which is going to host, or is a city where stage number 7 of Tour du Rwanda is going to start in a few minutes. This stage of today, stage number 7, is starting in Yamata in a few minutes at 10:30 local time, and is expected to finish, or the finishing point is in Mont Kigali in Kigali city. So the finishing will be around 1:30 p.m. local time. The total distance of this stage number 7, is 115.8 kilometers. Riders will use these roads: Nyamata, where we are standing right now, Gahanga, Nyanza, Sonatip, Kabeza, Usanza, Rwanda Military Hospital Road, Kimironko, Kibagabaga Genocide Memorial, Yerka, Kagugu, Batsinda, Gasanze, Nyabugogo, Poirur, Kanogo, Nyamirambo, Mont Kigali, Karama, Ruriba, Itikinyoni, Nyabugogo, Kimisagara, Kamutwe, and the end point is in Mont Kigali. Just to remind you that the first stage of this Tour du Rwanda 2023 was flagged off on Sunday, 19 February 2023, with around 100 riders competing in more than 15 teams. And the last stage, stage 8, will take place tomorrow, Sunday, in Kigali city. This year Tour du Rwanda, which is the 15th edition, includes also the legendary known Chris Froome, a rider who has won 4 times Tour de France. For a quick reminder, stage 1 and 2 of this edition were won by Vernon of Soudal-QuickStep Devil team, Mulwebela Henon from Green Project,
Bardianic team won stage number 3. Bonnet Thomas of Total Energy team won stage number 4. The winner of stage number 5 was Ormiston Callum from South Africa team, and the stage number 6 was won by Badilati Mateo of Q36.5 Pro Cycling team. So, who will be the winner of stage 7 of today? Let's wait. It is clear that the stage is now starting in a few minutes. We just would like to remind you also that after stage number 6, the general classification of this race 2023 is as follows. Let's tell you the top 6 riders. So, Lesef William Jr. from the team Soudal-QuickStep Devil. Number 2, Budiak Anatoly from the Telangana Polygon. Number 3, Carzoni Walter, Q36.5 Pro Cycling Team. Number 4, Dolapart Victor Total Energy. Number 5, Eyob Metketer, Telangana Polygon. Number 6, Mohoza Eric from Bike 8. So right now, the yellow jersey is worn by number 1, Lesef William Jr. from Sudar Quick Step Devil. You see that the stage number 7 is now starting. So the best climber is Prisa Maroc Oliver from EF Education Nipo Development Team. Number 2 is Arefayne Akilu from Eritrea. Number 3 is Nsengimana Jean Bosco from Rwanda. These are best climbers. Let's go to the sprint classification. Number 1, Fush James from Bolton Equities Black SF. Number 2, Arefayne Akilu from Eritrea. Number 3, Prison Mark Oliver from EF Education Nippo Development Team. So let's go to the best young rider. So number 1, Receive William Jr. from Sudal Quick Step Devil. Number 2, Carzoni Walter from Q36.5 Pro Cycling Team. Number 3, Mohoza Eric, a Rwandan one from Bike 8. So let's go now to the best African rider. So number 1 is Eyob Metka from Telangana Polygon Cycling Team. Number 2, Mohoza Eric Bike 8. Number 3, Molueberan Henok from Green Project Bardianic. So lastly, the best 3 teams are: number 1 is Cartel Escadi. Number 2 is Bolton Equities Black Spock. Number 3 is Green Project Bardianisk Faizan. So the race will start in a few minutes. You see now, motorbikes are ready to go in front. is stage number 7 of Tour du Rwanda, which is starting from Nyamata town in Bugesera Eastern Province, and the end point is in Mont Kigali in Kigali City. So you see, now riders are ready anytime. Yeah, you see, we are almost starting in a few minutes. This is how we are starting in Yamata. You see how beautiful the city is. These are cars accompanying riders. So for a short history, Tour du Rwanda is known as Africa's biggest cycling race. Until 2008, Tour du Rwanda was a regional cycling race that brought together Rwandans, but also riders from neighboring countries such as Burundi, Tanzania, Uganda, and so on. So upon his election to the head of the Ferwasi, this is the Rwanda Cycling Federation in 2008, aided by the National Technical Director Jock Boya, Aimable Bayingana president has worked to organize Tour du Rwanda internationally. With Olivier Grandjean, consultant expert and general coordinator, and with the support of Jean-Claude Helot, very experienced in organizing international events. Success was not long in coming, and in the last 5 years, the Tour du Rwanda has risen in the reading top 3 of racing cycling organizations on the continent of in the country of Rwanda, on the continent of Africa, sorry. With the consideration assistance of Minespoc and the private economic partners, Tour du Rwanda founds um, its cruising speed and allows each year in mid-November to offer a magnificent sporting spectacle free for a week and throughout the country to the people of Rwanda. Through national and international media, coverage of quality, beautiful landscape of the country of thousand hills are seen all over the world. You see how people are watching. Each year, riders from far away, such as USA, Belgium, Canada, France, and so on, or crosses Kenya, South Africa, Eritrea, Algeria, Gabon, are challenging the Rwandan riders on the run. Tour du Rwanda allows African riders to highlight on the context of passage in a professional and well-run in the top professional teams in the world elite. Thus, the first 3 of 2010 edition included a big team Orica Green Edge for Daniel Tekremanot, Team Air Europe Car for Nathanael and Argos Shimano for Red Van Rensburg. The very international palmarès, a Moroccan, Eritrea, an American, 2 South African, and a Rwandan were winners, confirmed the sport quality of Tour du Rwanda.